Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into the core of AWS to unravel the concept of Amazon Machine Images or AMI. And AMI or Amazon Machine Image is a pre-configured image provided by AWS, which houses all necessary information to initiate an instance. Think of it as a blueprint for your virtual server. Whenever you launch an instance, you need to specify AMI. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You can spawn multiple instances from a single AMI if you require identical configurations, or different AMIs can be used for instances requiring diverse configurations. And AMI includes a few key elements: Amazon AWS snapshots or root volume template, launch permissions that outline who can employ the AMI, and block device mapping to determine the volume to be attached when the instance is launched. This diagram here summarizes the AMI lifecycle. Once you've created and registered an AMI, it can be used to launch new instances. You can even clone an AMI within the same AWS region or across different regions. You can search for an AMI fitting your instances criteria, whether provided by AWS or contributed by the community. Post launching an instance from an AMI is just like any other server. Connect and use as per your needs. Interestingly, AWS also allows you to create your own custom AMI. You can launch an instance from an existing AMI, make the desired customization, and then save this updated configuration as a custom AMI. And for the ease of management, you can assign custom tags to easily identify and search your custom AMIs. Post creation, you can keep the AMI private, share it with selected AWS account, or even make it public. Purchasing AMIs from third parties or selling your own to other Amazon EC2 users is also an option. Once you're finished with an AMI, the registering it is a snap. Just keep in mind, while it can't be used to launch new instances post the registration, existing instances launched from it are unaffected. Let's now shift our focus to Amazon Linux 2 and the Amazon Linux AMI. These are supported and maintained Linux images courtesy of AWS. These provide a stable, secure, and high performance playground for applications running on Amazon EC2. And the best part, they comes at no additional charge to Amazon EC2 users. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Amazon Machine Images or AMIs. Remember to hit that like button to have more tutorials and insights in the future. See you in the next video.